Performance has always evolved through innovation, yet emotion has never left the driver's seat. Electric motion removes traditional engine sound from acceleration.
Combustion engines communicate power through sound and vibration.
Electric motors deliver power with minimal mechanical resistance.
Internal combustion relies on controlled explosions for propulsion.
Maximum torque is delivered without delay.
Traction depends heavily on driver input.
Acceleration feels linear and uninterrupted.
Mechanical feedback defines traditional performance driving.
Software becomes the primary interface between driver and vehicle.
Traditional instrumentation emphasizes tactile engagement.
Regenerative braking converts motion back into energy.
Friction braking dissipates speed as heat.
Battery placement lowers the center of gravity.
Mechanical systems define traditional vehicle architecture.
Reduced noise reshapes urban driving experience.
Sound amplifies emotional engagement.
Energy replenishment requires planning and time. Refueling prioritizes speed and convenience. Performance evolves digitally over time.
Physical modifications define performance upgrades.
Software manages traction automatically.
Driver skill remains essential in low grip conditions.
Thermal management ensures repeatable performance.
Sustained performance is limited by heat buildup.
Two philosophies share the same road. Technology changes the method, but the desire for speed remains unchanged. Electric vehicles integrate with future infrastructure.
Heritage remains deeply tied to combustion engines.
Ownership becomes a digital experience.
Mechanical familiarity defines ownership rituals.
Range planning becomes part of the journey. Fuel availability supports spontaneous travel.
Quiet cabins reduce driver fatigue. Sensory stimulation defines the experience.
Innovation attracts a new generation. Tradition preserves emotional value. Torque delivery remains consistent at altitude.
Engine performance varies with elevation.
Silence enhances environmental connection.
Traction systems manage torque precisely.
Mechanical limitations challenge traction.
Temperature affects charging efficiency.
Fuel combustion remains reliable.
Adoption rates continue to rise. Demand remains strong among enthusiasts. Technology-focused communities emerge.
Listen to that rumble when it revs. Absolutely incredible engineering under the hood here.
Visual identity aligns with modern urban life. Traditional driving environments enhance emotional connection. Different technologies pursue the same thrill.
The future does not erase the past. It builds upon it. Home charging becomes routine.
Maintenance reflects craftsmanship. Assistance systems redefine driving roles.
Full driver control remains central. Environmental regulations favor electrification.
New environmental regulations mean traditional gasoline cars, like this sports sedan, are now restricted from entering the city center.
Design language continues to evolve. Legacy gains historical value. Metrics dominate evaluation.
As the dyno run initiates, the mechanical output remains central to our analysis. Look at the horsepower spike.
Instant response improves daily usability.
Driver involvement defines the action.
Absence of noise reshapes perception.
Mechanical heat dissipation is audible.
Energy sources redefine sustainability.
Fossil fuels remain central. Performance blends with practicality.
Usage becomes more selective. Compact power delivery improves control.
Size and sound demand attention.
Start-stop motion feels seamless.
Fuel consumption continues while stationary.
Silent speed dominates modern driving.
sound remains part of the thrill.
Paths diverge, but excitement remains equal.
The debate remains unresolved.
Electric or gasoline? Performance lives, where passion meets the road.